Right. Hey.
Afternoon.
Evening.
Oh.
You need to get your timings right. It's like 6:30.
Okay. Evening.
Better.
Just
On the water. Dry Jan.
dry January.
Roll on February.
Everyone's a bit miserable.
January blues.
Mm-hmm.
Liver's in great shape though.
Liver.
That would have been better.
Wow, it'll take a while to recover. I don't think it recovers that quickly, but there we go.
It does heal itself. Anyway, we're getting distracted. So
Yeah.
this week, we've been quite productive. The garden, we were out there. Bulbs are shooting up.
We've had a bit of outside time, haven't we?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What else have we done this week?
Went to our favourite shop.
We did, didn't we?
Yeah, good old McGregor's. Not been there for a while.
No. Got some new toys, which you'll see, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Not used. Oh, that's a job we could do on Monday. The lumberjack work.
Yeah.
Anyway, tune in next week to find out why she bought an axe.
Or look it up in the sheriff court, whichever. Whichever's easiest.
Anyway, enjoy this week's vlog. Like, subscribe, tell your friends.
Subscribe.
No, that's not a correct word. Grow up. Like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, have a giggle at us, with us. We don't really mind, but here's this week's chat.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, today is
Thursday and first day kids are back at school day.
She chose kids, I chose plants. Where are we today?
We're at our favourite shop, which we've not been to for months, I don't think.
No.
We used to come here on a daily basis at one point, but
We did.
Yeah.
McGregor's.
McGregor's.
I'm gonna go. We need a flat pack wheelbarrow, don't we?
That's what we're hoping for.
Because I don't think a big one's gonna fit in this car. I think with our skills we can build it, but our wheelbarrow, it's on its last legs.
Yeah, rest in peace wheelbarrow.
Right, let's go. Let's
do
go
this.
buy a wheelbarrow. You what?
That's shovels, we don't want them.
No, we just want speed, don't we? Right, wheelbarrows. I think we need to make a decision.
We need a speed, is what we need.
I like that green one. Can you reach that?
No.
Next task is getting this in the car. I think that'll be the easy bit. You know, the speed and the app.
Yeah, tell you what the easy bit is. Filming me getting in the car.
Wipe the dog and park yourself. Right, go on then. No, sideways, Laura. No, watch me paint work. Come on. I think the side way would have been a better option. I said, I think.
Yeah.
Are we in? We're in.
I don't know enough of the doors for this shop. Did it?
Did it. It's Piglet's favourite time of the day. What time is it, Piglet?
Food time.
Food time, which is a happy time.
Always happy time. Food time. Not much makes me smile, what food does.
I make you smile, don't I? Right, what are you up to?
Well, we've got some exciting developments at Grow Bust. We found what looks like maybe a bulb sprouting. Lots of bulbs planted in this area, but we just figured out the willows. Some of these have been planted for a short time, some of them have been planted for a good few weeks. They seem to be coming to life.
So is there anything you want to say to Ruth, my mother?
No, she's quite scary and I don't think I'd cross her, so I don't want to
But
say
she did
anything.
say we planted them at the wrong time and they wouldn't grow. Did she not?
That's your argument.
But for the record, Mum, they're growing. Got that one there.
Oh, new buds on them.
New buds in them. And
Beautiful one there, loads of colour in that one.
look at that.
Look at that.
Well.
Another one,
Oh, is there a promising one there?
promising, that's got promise.
Oh, look at that. So we've made a grim discovery in the peas. The leaves are all going a bit yellow. Not only that, they're getting a bit mouldy, some of them. Anyone knows how to rescue peas? That would be great. I mean, what was your solution?
I think tender loving care and leave them for a week. Plenty of water. Hopefully a little bit more sunlight.
So really, what she's saying is she's going to bury her head in the sand and hope that it gets better. Am I right?
Generally my motto for life.
I think I'm ready.
Right, it's going.
So I was kindly gifted this for Christmas. It's a little bird bath. Piglet kindly donated this to me. Oh no, it's in bits. I think we're going to need to build it.
We're builders though.
I mean, we've got... So it turns out that it came in 1,000,001 bits. It was harder to make than your average jigsaw, and it was a bit of a challenge really. Time has come
To give the birds a bath.
to give the birds a bath. We built this, didn't we?
Yeah, it's really heavy. I know it looks like it's
Flimsy
no weight in
shite.
it, but I'm just super strong.
I mean, that's going to withstand many a nightingale, that.
Many an nightingale.
I mean, yeah. Are you sure you're alright carrying that yourself?
It's made of stone actually, it's what it's made of, but I chiselled it all by hand. Anyway,
Let's get her outside. We'll need to put it somewhere sheltered though, right?
it's made of stone. It'll be here as long as Scarabee's been here. So it's been a while since she had a good screw. But
Don't make me laugh because I'll fall and break a limb.
she's going to attempt to fix this small gap.
Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. This is left, so it goes that way, right? Nope, it's not going anywhere. I'm worried it's going to catch the plastic, Laura.
Don't break the screw like you did.
Yeah. I think I need the wrench, not the... You know the thing, the clicky thing that you were just playing with?
Ratchet.
Ratchet.
Okay. Okay. Take two, different tool.
Oh, she's tight. I'll give you that.
Same Kirsten, different tool.
Pardon?
Sorry?
Didn't hear what you said, and it's probably lucky. Oh, we're doing it. I think she needs a bit more. Right. Now do we just bang it up?
Yeah, bang it up.
Well, I need a hammer, surely to Christ.
So, to follow on from a screw in, now having a good bang.
I think that's it, you know. Can't get my finger in there now.
Oh.
Definitely tighter. I need to get that end up a bit too. Masking. Do I need to get the other end
You're
up?
the boss. I don't know if you need to get it up or not.
I'm not sure. Definitely wider there than there. So I came out to do a slug hunt, which was quite successful if I'm honest, but I have to confess guys, the sturdy birdhouse didn't withstand yesterday's wind, so it's currently seeking shelter in Growlist, and hopefully when the summer comes we can get it back out, but for now this is going to be its home.